Good evening, oops, sorry about the camera there, I just jerked my hand. Anyways, good evening everyone, it's Bridge Farms 2018. And I am currently doing some welding here, so I figured I'll let y'all do some seeing too. It'll be my first time recording while I'm doing it, so just bear with me. So if y'all will watch your eyes, and I will start. So, as you can see, I am redoing my my attachment here for my cylinder, and my friend come through with my piece of metal. It's a 2" by 2" piece of square pipe, or well, not a pipe but tube. It's all right, it'll hold. Yeah. And like I said, it's a 2" by 2" right here. And I'm welding it on the back side of this piece of flat iron here, and because I want to make sure that this cylinder does not twist or break or anything like this on this bar here, because I'm back dragging. That's what broke it last time, when I was back dragging. So, but this is what I'm doing, and I'm going to go do a little bit more here. And it's a little overkill, but I'm going to weld this whole thing across here, so I know for sure that will hold. So here it goes again, and watch your eyes. I'm not in a very comfortable position, but it does work. Y'all just hang on here just a second. Get me another rod here. Oops. Gonna put you down for a second here. Sorry about that. There you go again. Almost made it. Hang on just a minute. Alright, I'm back for a short piece here. For some reason, it's always hard starting off with a new stick. I guess because it's so long and kind of gets shaky a little bit, but I'm going to go at it again. All right. Well, I got that side welded. And next is to do the other side here in a minute. Do a little bit of chipping here while I'm thinking about it. Tell you what, when you're chipping like this, especially stick welding, make sure you got protective glasses on, even while you're chipping debris away, because that stuff is still hot and it'll still chip off in your eyes, and you can do almost as much damage as the arc flash or even getting the hot debris in your eyes. Any of them is bad. So always make sure when you're doing this, you're always wearing safety glasses, and you're always wearing or welding gloves. I got a Ironton welding jacket on right now, and so just always make sure when you're working in the shop, always be safe and be careful, because it's not worth you getting hurt over, getting blinded, getting burned, or anything like that. So always think shop safety for number one. Anyway, because you always want to make sure you can go back inside and with your family and go to work the next day. And if it's not your time, it's not the good time to do it. So always be safe. But that's what I'm doing currently. I'm going to do the other side, but I'm not going to record it because it's kind of difficult to do that and hold this. So I just wanted to try my first time as doing something while recording. But yeah, it's not perfect, but I believe it'll I'm getting better at it. The more I weld, the better I get, and the better techniques I learn. So anyways, y'all have a wonderful weekend, or a wonderful week. Stay safe. God bless you all, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.